Hello, my name is George Bose. I'm the owner of United Tarps out of Jamesburg, New Jersey. We manufacture American-made truck tarps and tarping products for the waste and recycling industry, as well as dump trucks, flatbeds, and custom tarps. When I was in high school, I worked for another tarp company for about 7 years, and then that tarp company was bought. And when they bought, I started with a small single needle sewing machine making tarps in my attic. And then I finally started United Tarps, and that's where I met Chris. And me and Chris, he would come work with me after high school.
I was coming home from high school. One day he told me I wanted to help him out in the garage. I'm like, sure, no problem. I started working with him. A couple years went by, and here we are now. We outgrew the garage that we started in, and now we're here, almost maximizing the space here.
We purchased the T600 from Miller Weldmaster. The Miller Weldmaster T600 is the ultimate solution for any textile industry, tarp industry, tent industry, any manufacturer in that kind of industry. It's not limited by its size. It looks like it's a small machine, but that machine does big things.
In my opinion, the T600 is a great machine. The machine itself is amazing. It's helped us a lot on the company.
I like to think of how our company changed after we purchased the Miller Weldmaster machine, like a baby learning how to walk. Before we had that machine, our manufacturing process was completely different. After we purchased that machine, our production time has increased by 75%. I can tell you that if you're in the textile industry and you're looking to elevate your business, there's no better machine than the Miller Weldmaster, so you can increase that production and get that quality heat seal. I would not recommend any other heat welding machine except the Miller Weldmaster. It is the best machine, and I compare it to driving a Ferrari with the reliability of a Honda.
After purchasing the Miller Weldmaster T600, we were working on big projects like making covers for these prefabricated bathrooms that they will just cover over them, and also fumigation tubes.
I choose Miller Weldmaster because I have plenty of experience with their machines at another tarping manufacturer, and it's a quality machine, and that's the machine I wanted to use at my business.
Like I said, working with the company itself is a great experience, top-notch service. The machine itself was down maybe like a couple hours until I got on the phone with a tech from Miller Weldmaster, helped me out, walked me through the steps to fix the machine, and it's just such a great experience. 5-star customer service.